If your ElevenLabs account just got banned, I know what you're thinking. Did I lose everything? Take a second. Most bans aren't permanent, and in a lot of cases, you can recover your account faster than you think. This happens more often than people admit. You try to log in or generate a voice and suddenly you're blocked. So here's the real way to recover an ElevenLabs account fast. First, understand why bans happen. Most of the time it's not random. It's triggered by things like using a VPN, logging in from multiple locations, too many rapid requests, or content that violates their policies. Even something simple like switching devices too often can flag your account. So step 1, stop everything. Don't keep trying to log in again and again. That can make the situation worse. Give it a few minutes and reset your approach. Step 2, check your email. ElevenLabs usually sends a warning or explanation. Sometimes it's not even a full ban, just a temporary restriction or verification step you need to complete. Step 3, turn off your VPN and log in normally. A lot of bans are triggered by location changes. Use a stable connection from one location and try again after some time. If that doesn't work, move to the real fix. Step 4, contact support properly. Go to ElevenLabs support and send a clear message. Don't panic or write a long story. Just explain your account email, what happened, that you want to restore access. Keep it simple and professional. Most users who do this get a response, and in many cases, access is restored if it was a false flag. Now let's be real about prevention. Avoid switching IP locations constantly. Don't spam generation requests. Follow content guidelines. Use one main device if possible. These small habits reduce the chances of getting flagged again. So, quick recap. Stop repeated login attempts. Check your email. Turn off VPN. Wait a bit. Contact support clearly. That's the fastest recovery path. Now here's the truth. Most ElevenLabs bans aren't permanent, they're security checks. And if you handle it the right way, you can usually get your account back without losing everything. So don't panic, just follow the steps and fix it properly. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.